If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your PlayStation account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Navigate to the account settings section where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Go to subscriptions. Once in the account settings, locate the subscriptions option. This will display all active subscriptions linked to your account, including PlayStation Plus and any other services. Step 3. Select the subscription. Find a specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your subscriptions list again to ensure the status has changed to cancel. You may also receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on your PlayStation account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for assistance.